What's going on, everybody? Here we're at another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have another unboxing for you. It is a center channel from KLH. It's called The Story, so let's get to it. First of all, if you are new to the Home Theater Hobbyist channel, welcome. On this channel, you'll find things like product reviews, unboxings, comparisons, and basically all things home theater. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime we upload new content. So here we are. We got the center channel from KLH Audio, and they call it The Story. And I think it's kind of a nice name because the center channel in your home theater is where you're getting the bulk of the dialogue and even some of your music. So it is driving the story. And I think that's kind of got a nice touch. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, KLH Audio is a recently revived brand. They were around in the 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. Then they stopped making audio products for a while, but they are back. And I got this speaker from Worldwide Stereo. They are a home theater retailer. Want to give them a shout out because they have all of our home theater needs covered. They sell brands like KLH, Sony, LG, Yamaha, Denon, Epson, basically all things home theater. So use that link in the description below so you can find out more about them. So back to this speaker. Overall, this is a nice speaker. I mean, at least it's a nice box, I guess I should say. I can definitely pick it up by myself. And as you can see on the front there's a speaker. So if this is left on your porch, your neighbors or whoever's passing by will know that you have a speaker. So you want to go home and pick that box up or get one of your neighbors to do it for you. But overall, this is nice. I've unboxed quite a few, or not a few, but I've unboxed the Quincy's, the Windsorton, and the Ames, and KLH has not disappointed, so I expect this to be boxed and packaged really, really well. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and let's get into this box. All right. So that is how it looks. First thing you get is you get the manual along with some port plugs, interesting, and some little feet to go on the bottom. Well, next we've got the speaker here, and I think what I'm going to have to do is just pull it right out, and then I'll be able to get to the rest of it because this goes all the way around, so I'm going to have to just pull the speaker out. So they put these corners on there to protect it from side impact, so that's good. They're nice and sturdy cardboard there. And right here in the front, I believe this is the grill. Yes, that's the grill. So there you have it. It looks really good. It's got a nice black oak finish to it. Here's the grill as we mentioned before. You got your two drivers there along with your tweeter in the middle. I think this magnetically attaches. Like that. And along the back, you've got your speaker connections. You can do that there. And of course, you've got your ports so you can get air out for those woofers. The Story has a frequency response from 48 Hz to 23,000 Hz and a sensitivity of 91 dB. It has an impedance of 8 ohms. It features two 5 1/4 Kevlar mid-bass drivers and one 1-inch anodized aluminum tweeter. It is 7 inches tall by 19 inches wide by 9.5 inches deep, and it weighs 16 pounds. So there you have it, the KLH Story. This box looks good and I am looking forward to reviewing it. It's going to take me about a day and a half to break it in, and then I'm going to start my review process, so look out for that. I'm also reviewing the KLH Quincy's, those floor standing towers that I unboxed, and I'm finishing up my review of the Windsor 10. So there are several reviews coming out, and I'll probably talk about these in all of those reviews, just how it works together and how they work separately. So keep a lookout for those reviews. If you want to purchase anything home theater related, use that link in the description below. It does help support the channel, so we appreciate you that have used it, but continue using it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll talk to you next time.